Welcome to CN231 Task 1 assessment video. The presentation is designed to outline the key aspects of the task and strategies to successfully complete this task. The length of the actual assignment is 1400 words, 10% plus or minus, and it's due in week 5 at 11:59 p.m. Please note that late submissions incur a penalty. The goal of this particular task focuses on giving you the opportunity to enable you to proactively identify a public problem, an issue or opportunity, and develop a communication campaign brief for a prospective client. The criteria, as mentioned, is 1400 words in length, and it's a strategic campaign brief of which you will be supplied a template. It has to be written professionally and based on cited secondary research. The format of this task is to be completed in a professional communication format. In other words, a report. You will be provided with a template to be able to develop and present that information. You will identify an unmet communication plan problem, an opportunity for a prospective client through a computer lab weekly research activity. You will invent a unique campaign proposition that you will spell out in a written professional brief or report that you will present as a pitch to your client in Task 2 and develop into a detailed plan in Task 3. Client selection is the key, as each of the further tasks will be bound to this particular selection. The client could be government, non-government, not-for-profit, or a business client. The campaign for your client could be political, commercial, risk disaster management, or a social action campaign. This initial brief will contain a compelling narrative that uses secondary research to support and frame an understanding of the client and to identify the problem or opportunity the campaign plans to meet through the final campaign plan in Task 3. Note, it does not yet propose a strategy or a plan. However, based on your research, you will present a series of actions in SMART goal format that indicate your intent for Task 3. These aspects will be built across assessment tasks 2 and 3. Please review the marking criteria. We'll go over this in class in the tutorials, but please review this as this is how I'm assessing or evaluating your work. The resources that you'll be provided with, as mentioned previously, is a created brief template and an annotated commentary related to the template and a formatted report document. So how can you be successful in this task? You need to define your topic, focus clearly and early in the process. Conduct your research, follow the template structure. It is flexible to some degree, but it is designed to make sure you address the critical key areas in the set criteria for this task. Your task is to develop a clear understanding of the client, the issue, and relevant information to support your planning, which will occur later in the semester. Develop a compelling narrative based on and supported by cited secondary research. It is very important to note that Task 1, the creative brief, and 2, the pitch, do not yet propose a strategy or plan, as you will do in Task 3. Basically, this brief is what you currently know, past and present, and will present in Task 2 as your pitch. You will then expand your brief into a communication plan strategy for Task 3, which provides future thinking on how to address the issue or via communication strategy. This means that some of the sections of the brief will provide projected information that is yet to be supported with your communication strategy and plan. So hold back the temptation to tell the client what needs to be specifically done at this stage. You need to convince them first that you understand the client's situation, the organisation, and the issue itself. These comprise Task 1 and 2, before you can move forward on the project to the final stage. We will discuss this further in upcoming tutorials. See you then.